Model, 2003 Iveco Daily 35C12 with B3750 tipper needs head gasket. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 98,583. Engine, 2287cc IVE 2.3. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. The tipper works perfectly, definitely worth repairing, grin. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.